how to fix Battlefront 2 error 721 failed to connect to EA servers. Now, apparently, there are two methods. They're pretty much pretty much similar actually, but there are a lot of other methods you can go ahead and try. But if you want to go ahead for something more simple and works for most people, apparently, the all you pretty much have to do is go to the main screen of your game. You can pretty much do this in any platforms. I mean, at least you could try. But once you see that you are offline, apparently all you have to do is press on the connect button. So it's gonna go ahead and load. It's gonna keep giving you the error. You're gonna go ahead and press and connect again and again. You're gonna get the error again. It should take a few attempts, but eventually you should potentially get something like this where it's now just deconnecting and not giving you the error anymore. um, Once that's happening, you're pretty much finally getting connected to the actual game. And if it doesn't work, the second method is to go ahead and do the same process, but by pressing this little section over here by connecting for more features. So the same method, it's gonna pretty much do something like this. It's gonna give you the error code. You're gonna have to press this section again, but that could go ahead and help you. It's gonna give you the connecting thing, and if it does work, then that would be good for you. So this is one of the main two methods you can pretty much try to see if it can fix your error. But hopefully this does work on you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.